how to update iPhone 11 on iOS 26 beta update. So if you want to update your iPhone 11 on iOS 26, 27 or 28 beta updates, then you just need simply first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Then open up your Safari and then go with beta.apple.com. Once you're on your beta.apple.com, you'll have this kind of interface. You need to scroll down and you need to go with sign in. Once you tap on sign in, you need to go with sign in again, which is on the bottom, and it will ask you for the Face ID. Go with your Face ID or your password and then sign in. After signing in, now you'll have this kind of interface. You need to scroll down, go with enroll your iOS device, and scroll down again and tap on open beta update. And it will take you to the software update on your settings. Now you just need simply select iOS 18 public beta, and then you need to go back and you need to tap on update now, and it will start the install. In this way, you'll be able to update your iPhone 11 on iOS 26 beta updates. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.